Alright, so you want to know how natural dyes can actually put cash in your pocket? Here's how I do it. First, I dry my plant material. Think beetroot, turmeric, or even red cabbage. Next, I crush it up or extract the color with a bit of hot water. Then I mix in a stabilizer, like glycerin or alcohol, to keep that color fresh and vibrant. After that, it's just a matter of bottling it up and labeling. Something like natural dye beetroot. Simple, right? Each bottle costs me less than $1 to make, but I can sell it for $10 or more. So, who's buying this stuff? Turns out, a ton of cool people. Soap makers, artists, textile crafters, even organic cosmetic brands. They're all searching for gorgeous, eco-friendly pigments with zero chemicals and no harsh processes. It's just pure color from nature. Here's what I love. Start small, maybe with 3 colors, and sell them in sets. You only need 5 to 10 customers a week to build a real side income. It's not a get-rich-quick thing, but it is real. It scales up easily, and honestly, it's a lot of fun. If you want to try this, drop dye in the comments, and I'll send you a free PDF guide to get started. Like, if you're inspired, share with a chemist friend, and don't forget to save this idea for later.